Dear students, welcome back to computer science class. So today we will discuss the K-map. Okay, so what is K-map? What are the advantages of using the K-map? We will discuss today's class. Okay, so see here, first of all, K-map is mainly used for reducing the Boolean expression. Without using K-map also it is possible to reduce the Boolean expression, that is with the help of Boolean laws. Okay, with the help of laws we can reduce the expression, but there is another shortcut way to reduce the expression, that is called as K-map. Okay, there are four types. First one is one variable, two variable, three variable and four variable K-map. Okay, so in the last class we discussed the general syntax or general format of K-map. Okay, so now we have to discuss how to reduce the expression using the K-map. Okay, so first I have to draw the four variable K-map. So four variable K-map means 2 to the power of 4, 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is total 16 boxes. Okay, if you consider A, B and C, D. With respect to A, B, C, D, I can draw the K-map. See here, A bar, B bar, it is equal to 0, 0. A bar, B, it is 0, 1. So next is A, B, that 1, 1. Next is A, B bar, that is 1, 0. In the same way, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. So I already said that why I have to interchange the rows and column, because before K map another map will be there, that is width map. So in the width map they have to written serially for comparison purpose. So Karnaugh has to develop K map with interchanging the rows and column. With the help of interchanging the rows and column we have to reduce the expression. Okay, see here, and the position is 0, 1, 2, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one is 8, because here third row and fourth row are exchanged. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these all are the positions of K-map. Okay, so here M0 or 0 position value is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar is the value of first box, that is 0 position. In the same way you can multiply row value with column name, row name with column name, you will get the particular value of the particular position. Okay, so after drawing the K-map, next step is, so whatever the question is given, so first we can identify the value of each position. Okay, for example, so just I have to write the question like A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D. So this is the given question. Okay, so the problem is to reduce the Boolean expression or simplify the Boolean expression using the K-map. The given question is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D. See here, so this is the first box and this is the second box. So whatever the product, whatever the value is present in the given question, in the box we have to fill with 1. Here 1 indicates it is present in the given question, given expression. See here, the value of 0 position is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. It is already present, so that's why I can put 1. In the same way, 1. And remaining all the boxes must be filled with 0. If you want, you can fill with a 0, otherwise you can leave. So better you can fill with a 0. So here 0 indicates absent. Okay. Next is pair. It consists of pair, quad, octa. With the help of this pair, quad, octa, we can reduce the Boolean expression. See here, pair means two adjacent ones. Two adjacent one is nothing but the pair, and it which gives the result as three variable. See here, here one is there, here also one is there. The row name is A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. First I can write A bar, B bar. Okay, see these two columns. Here C bar, D bar is there, C bar, D is there. Which is the common term here? C bar. Then the answer is A bar, B bar, C bar. If you are using the 4 variable K-map, if you want to apply the pair, it gives the result as 3 variables. Okay, see here, one is there, its row name is A bar, B bar, and in these two column C bar is a common term, that's why I can write A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is the example for pair. Next, I have to consider another example. See here, suppose the question may be like this: A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B, C bar, D. Again it is also pair. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮಗ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್, ಆರ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಪೇರ್. Okay, so in this case, see here column name is same, that's why I can write C bar, D bar, and in these two row which is the common term, here common term is A bar, that's why I can write A bar, C bar, D bar. So like this we have to pair the values and we have to mention the result. Okay, and don't pair like this. Diagonally we cannot pair the values, either it may be horizontal or either it may be vertical. So that is nothing but the pair. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಐತಿ, 5 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 1 ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲಿ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ pair the values, either it may be vertically or either it may be horizontally. Okay, if you are using the 4 variable K map, if you want to apply the pair will give the result as 3 variables. Okay, so another one is quad. Quad means obviously 4. So just have to write numbers. See here, 1 1 1 1. So before quad I have to solve 1 or 2 examples, one more examples for a pair. Okay, either it may be horizontally or vertically, it is a pair. Okay, suppose see here 1 is there, here also 1 is there, again it is a pair, means 1 is present in top and bottom, again these two acts as a pair. The result of these two is column name same, here A bar, B bar is there, here A, B bar is there, that is B bar, C bar, D, B bar, C bar, D bar. So this is the result. Suppose instead of writing 1 here I have to write here, but this is not a pair. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಜು ಬಾಜು ರೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 is there, here also 1 is there, again it is pair. 1 is present in first column, this one is present in last column, again it is a pair. Suppose here 1 is there, here 1 is there, again it is pair. Clear? Next is quad. See here, here 1 1 1 1. Suppose if the K-map is like this, so this is the quad. Quad means 4 adjacent ones. See here 1 1 1 1. If it is quad, it gives the result as 2 variables. See here, it will cover 2 rows and 2 columns. Just you can take the common. In these 2 rows, B is a common term, and in these 2 columns, D is a common term. The result is BD. See here, here 1 is there, here 1 is there. What about these 2 ones? You can pair it. Pair means the result is plus B bar, C bar, D bar. So this is the reducing the expression. Okay, BD plus B bar, C bar, D bar. So it is very easy as compared to applying the Boolean laws. Okay, and 100% in the examination one question will be there for the Boolean algebra, that is of K-map only. So just you can draw the K-map and clearly we have to mention, just you can take one arrow and write the quad. If more than one quad exists, you have to mention quad 1, quad 2 like that. In the same way, here it is pair. And finally you can write like this, pair is B bar, C bar, D bar, and quad BD. Finally the reduced expression is BD plus B bar, C bar, D bar. And one thing we have to remember is always the quad will give the result as 2 variables and the pair will give the result as 3 variable with respect to the 4 variable K-map. Okay, suppose again if 1 and 1 exist in 2 and 10 position, means it is not a pair, again it is quad, because 4 adjacent ones. This is also a quad. Quad means 1 1. Based on the priority we have to solve, because if you make these 2 are pair, means which gives the result as 3 variable. If you make it as a quad, means which gives the 2 variable, which is the smaller quad, because which gives the 2 variable. The question is using the Boolean expression as much as possible we can reduce the Boolean expression. Okay, see here 1 1 1 1 is there. In these 2 column, common term is the D bar, and the first row and last row common term is B bar. Answer is B bar, D bar. So now I have to write one example. So this is very simple. A B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C D, C D bar. First I have to write positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and 14. I have to write like this: M0 plus M1 plus M5 plus M7 plus M8 plus M10 plus M13 plus M15. So this is the given question. Okay. So with the help of this expression, we can reduce the Boolean values or expression with the help of K-map. See here, M0 is present, just I have to mention 1. M1 is present, I can mention 1. Next is M5, M7, next M8, M10, Next M13 and M15. So this is the question. Whatever the position or whatever the value is present in the given question, just you have to fill with the 1 and the remaining are 0. And the remaining boxes you have to mention with 0. Okay, see here. Obviously, so this is the quad. And see here, this is the pair. What about these two? Don't make first and fourth pair, because this one is already paired with another one. This one is there, this one is there. That's why you can make it as a pair. Suppose if this one is not present, means you can pair with this one. Otherwise, don't duplicate the values. Okay, this one is quad. The answer is BD plus A bar, B bar, C bar plus AB, D bar. So this is the reduced expression. So like this we can solve we have to solve the K map. Okay, so as much as possible, so we can try, we have to try one or more examples, then we will get the idea. Otherwise in the next class we will discuss some more problems. Okay, thank you.